welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to learn how to attach lens to your camera. Interesting, right? I have a camera which is Canon EOS M50 Mark second mirrorless camera. The product information will be given in the description. You can definitely go and check it. So let's proceed how to do it. Oh my god, it's so interesting. And I will help you how to do it. So I have the lens and the camera. Now you just need to see there is a white dot on your lens that you see, and then on your camera you see a same kind of a white dot, and just on the right hand side you have a button which is easily that you can easily press up and down. And now what you need to do is take your lens, wherever the white dot is, just need to match the dot with the camera and insert it. The insert moment will only happen once you press the button, and then just rotate to the right, just like you rotate a bulb while placing the bulb on a bulb holder. That's it, you did it. You attached a lens on your camera. Isn't it easy? I hope you do find this video helpful, and please do like, share, subscribe our channel. Bye bye.